Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask a Solution. AI is everywhere these days. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 surprising ways AI makes life easier for you every single day, often without you even noticing. Whether it's your phone, your favorite apps, or even your home, AI is working behind the scenes. Let's dive in. Number 1. Smartphone assistants. You probably use a smartphone assistant like Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. They help you set reminders, send texts, and answer questions with just your voice. Number 2. Social media feeds. Ever wonder how Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube know what you want to watch next? It's AI analyzing your likes, comments, and history to show personalized content, so you spend less time scrolling and more time enjoying videos you love. Number 3. Email spam filters. Opening your inbox is stress-free, thanks to AI spam filters that spot unwanted emails and move them to spam, keeping your inbox clean and saving you time. Number 4. Navigation apps. Apps like Google Maps and Waze use AI to analyze real-time traffic, accidents, and closures, helping you find the fastest route and avoid jams. Number 5. Online shopping suggestions. When you shop on Amazon or browse Netflix, AI works behind the scenes to recommend products and shows based on your preferences, making shopping and entertainment easier and more fun. Number 6. Fraud detection. Banks and credit card companies use AI to monitor transactions and detect unusual activity, protecting your money and alerting you to fraud quickly. Number 7. Smart home devices. Smart devices like thermostats, cameras, and lights use AI to learn your habits and adjust settings automatically to save energy and keep you safe. Number 8. Photo organization. Apps like Google Photos use AI to recognize faces, places, and objects, making it easy to search thousands of photos by name, location, or keywords. It's like a smart photo librarian. Number 9. Language translation. Traveling or chatting with friends in different languages? AI translators like Google Translate instantly convert speech and text, making global communication easier. Number 10. Customer support chatbots. When you chat with customer support online, you're often talking to an AI chatbot that answers questions and helps 24/7, no waiting required. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Ask a Solution for more awesome AI tips and updates. See you in the next video. Take care.